guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be making a peg doll nativity scene for my little baby boy. So one of the Christmas traditions that we used to do with my parents when I was little was the nativity scene and moving the wise men along to end up in the manger on Epiphany and things like that. So I wanted to do that with Eli. I was looking at nativity sets, but most of them are quite delicate and, you know, they've got sort of moss roofs or hay, or they're made of porcelain or china or something like this, and I didn't want anything that was too delicate or too fragile. I also didn't want anything that was not really child friendly. So what I thought I would do is to make one. So I had a look on Pinterest and things and various different places, and there were lots of these peg doll nativity scenes, so I thought I'd give that a go. So I have bought these house-shaped shelves. They're made of plywood that just hang on the wall. So I've got a set of 3 for $12.99. I got these off eBay, but you can find this kind of thing all over the place. We already have a whole load of different house shelves, but I didn't have one that was specifically just one single house with lots of space inside that was more like a sort of stable or manger. So I saw these ones as a set and I thought that'd be great, and I can work out which is the best size when we come to it. I got this set of 50 assorted peg dolls. You've got all sorts of different ones in there. These squarer male ones and the sort of fluted female ones. That's what they label them as, but I'm not going to use them in that fashion. And then you've got really big ones, you've got medium-sized ones, and you've got little diddy baby ones. So I'm going to use these to create my characters for the nativity, and I've got these acrylic paint markers. I do have proper acrylic paints, paint brushes, all the metallic colours, everything in my art supplies, but I have no idea where they've gone in the move. So I couldn't find them. They're probably in the loft somewhere, but I've just decided to purchase a set of acrylic paint markers because I've got some other projects in the house that we want to do where acrylic markers would actually be ideal. So that's what I've gone for here. I've drawn out a sort of sketch of the various figurines that I want to make. So I've got the donkey, an oxen, the 3 wise men here, Mary and Joseph, the angel Gabriel, a shepherd and his young acolyte shepherds, a little sheep, and the baby Jesus. So we've got medium size, large size, medium size, and 2 of the little tiny ones. So that's what I'm going to do. At some point I will probably attempt to make a manger out of lollipop sticks. I will include that in this video. I've got the lollipop sticks somewhere else, but for this evening's project, now Bubba's asleep, I'm going to paint up my cast of characters for the nativity scene onto my peg dolls. So I'm going to set the time lapse on and I'm just going to get cracking.